The fastest way to get to 5 subscribers each and every single day. What's up guys, pretty much Chepo here. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, guys, I just want to quickly show you one of the fastest way that I've been doing for the past 3 days that I've been getting me 5 subscribers every single day. I have been doing it, guys. So first of all, guys, subscribe to the channel if you're new, because I bring out posted content every single day on how to make money online, guys. So if you like those type of videos, I urge you to subscribe to the channel, guys. And let's get into this video, guys. So the first thing you wanna do is basically, if you obviously you have a small channel, if you're looking for 5 subscribers, you want to post in videos or in basically in channels, in small channels, right? For people in your niche. If you're in a gaming niche, look up for smaller gaming people in the gaming community, and you wanna be commenting on their videos, right? So, and you wanna be the first to comment. So basically, let's see. Let's just say in the gaming niche, right? So let's just say to GTA 5, for example, right? So I know it's no. Let's just say Fortnite clips, right? So just search out. I'm just gonna search for Fortnite clips because why not, right? So, and obviously this is gonna be a big people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna say last hour, and it's gonna show me less popular channel, exactly. Like for example, Lil Wolfie 889. I think I know this page. Right, this is not the point, right? So for not people with 13, so a little bit bigger. Let's say 114. Let's say something like that. So a little bit bigger, like this channel, for example, is 116 or something like that. So you wanna go, let's say, so for example, on this video. So what you wanna do basically is, I just wanna go on his channel, and as soon as they upload, people with less than 5,000 subscribers, basically. So what you wanna do is just go in their comment section, right? And then you just wanna say, hey guys, I just created a new video on basically, just say for example, hey, I just created a new epic, right? Epic Fortnite video, right? Come check it out, something like that, right? Don't sound spammy, but just say, hey guys, come check it out and tell me what you think. All right, come check it out and tell me what you think, right? Something like that, something small and sweet. And then you just post, right? No guy, I do not play Fortnite, trust me, I suck. I just played it, I think 2 times, but yeah. So that's the first thing. So you just want to be putting on this, you just want to subscribe and put on the notification bell, so this person can be so you can be notified every time this person is posted. But I do not want to subscribe, I'm sorry, right? But so that's the first way. Just be posting, liking in every small channel, less than 5,000 subscribers. That's the first way. The second way is you wanna go to Reddit. And this is actually the way I use it. I'm gonna show you results to the end. You wanna go to Reddit, and then you go in whatever community you are. If it's in the gaming community, if it's whatever make money online, if it's in the weight loss, whatever community you are in, right? So whatever niche you are in, or whatever types of video you put out, you wanna look out for those ones, for how to fix your car types of things, right? Then you go into subreddits. Some subreddits you put in links. You put in, you can upload videos, and some you can just post, right? So for example, first of all, just read the rules of the subreddit, what you must not do and things like that, because you do not want to get your Reddit banned, right? So you want to go in here and basically just say create post, and then for example just say, hey guys, I just created a new video, same thing, right? So for example, hey guys, you don't want to sound spammy, especially in this subreddit, right? So for example, I just created a new channel about blah blah blah, right? And I was asking if one of you are willing to give me feedback on how my banner looks like. Jesus Christ, I need to attend more school. I'm joking. Right. So something like this, and then you just say, "Hey guys, created a new channel. I just created a new video." And I updated my, like, for me, I updated my audio and everything, right? Not updated, but upgraded, things like that, or did a little bit better. And say, "Hey guys, I just created a new channel, and I think you wanna go check it out. Just created a new video, and it's about this and this and this. Why don't you go check it out and give me feedback?" And then you wanna post this if it's something like that, right? So if you wanna post it. I'm not gonna post it because I do not wanna get banned or something, right? So you wanna post it if you wanna post it or something like that, right? So and then you just post it, and then subscribers will actually, people will go to your channel and check it out, and if they like it, they will subscribe to your channel, right? So before you end of this video, those are the two ways basically. Before you end of this video, we are in my social blade, right? So don't worry, social blade does not update. I do not know why, because I'm at currently 224 subscribers, but it's at 219 for some reason. But right, so as you can see, for the past days since I've been using it, look at all these past days. In fact, just look at all these days. I've been getting subscribers all these days, and I'm still going like every single day. I'm getting subscribers. Even today I got like 2 new subscribers. So I'm just going every single day, just be posting this. And the trick to this is, you don't want to sound spammy, right? You don't want to sound spammy. You don't want to do things like that, things related to spamming, right? So don't go, "Hey guys, subscribe to my channel, blah blah blah." No, you just want to keep it real simple and things like that. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shep. I hope those 2 ways help you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you enjoy the type of videos I put out. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my #1 way to make money online with affiliate marketing, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shep, and peace out.